What's up, Vic Nation? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Victory, and we're getting ready to go meet up. We're going to the gas station first. A few people might show up to the gas station, so I'm gonna try to get to the gas station. I'm actually late. It's 8:45, but the person, I think, there's only one person going, and I gave him the other address where we're meeting at. So, but we want to get up out of here and see what's popping. We're headed to the motorcycle museum, the classic motorcycle museum in Asheboro. It's gonna be a couple guys, so I do have to make a gas stop, so we might head over there first, then go to the gas station, then head out. So enjoy the ride with us, baby. Let's do it. That clock is battery's dead, but it's right 2 times in the day. Peace. So I finally got to the house and realized everybody had their wives with them. Man, next time you plan a ride, please, fellas, let's remember, if wives are going, let everybody know that the wives are going, man. So I have an opportunity to ask my wife. Even though I needed went there by myself, I still had the opportunity to ask my wife. Let's make sure we check on that, fellas. Come on, man.
Listen, man, gotta get the wind therapy in. I've been having a little stress over the bike, stress changing jobs. I changed another job, and my shoulders, it'll build up, man. So stress will kill you. I want you to know that stress will kill you, so I'll give it all to God. So I want to know, I don't want to know, but if you got stress, I'm talking to anybody that sees this video, and I don't know what I'm calling, but if you have stress, I want you to give it all to God and let God handle it. Nothing that He can't handle. So we got to make sure that we give everything to Him and let Him handle it. Saw that? Shit like this, man, remind me that I need a back tire. That will be coming soon. It is beautiful out here, though. Beautiful day. 78 degrees. Partly sunny. Absolutely gorgeous out here. See you when we get to the spot. You looking good out here, though. It's a lot of us. Joe got my bike out here.
How you doing, sir?
Sir, how you doing?
All right, all right, all right. The young lady told me I could just walk on back. How y'all been?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Ed Rich?
Ed Rich? Sean Davis. They call me the Victory King.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, I got a couple of victories.
Oh,
All right, we're out here with a group today. We came out and rode out. It's about 10 of us. And most of them upstairs. I was thinking about getting me one of these shirts you got over here.
Be fun.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Where y'all from?
We're from the Raleigh, Benson. All of us are from Benson, Smithfield. We rode from Smithfield.
Okay, I put a big housing project in Benson. I put it in an area.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Years
Okay.
ago, because the mule days down there.
Okay.
Enjoyed every bit of it.
Oh wow. So you still working on bikes back here?
Just for myself. I'm about retired for work on them other people.
Oh, okay.
Get you old test ride and put them up on the table. So
Oh, okay.
I'll finish up what I got here.
Yeah, I got a 11 Victory I need some work on. I got a Victory Vision with a C-clips went on it. They said they got to take the whole bike apart to get to it.
Yeah, not many victories around. I never worked on one.
Yeah.
I always work on hard.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. This is a nice shop.
It's just an old type shop, a lot more junk, a few parts, but
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I work on the old stuff. Just old stuff.
Okay, well, I want to get one of these shirts out here.
Alrighty.
I'm going to go grab my wallet. So you work on the old stuff, huh?
Yeah.
What year is this?
It's 47.
Oh, wow.
That's 36. That's 66. That's 55.
This is a 55. This is more like the Fast Johnny.
Old Panhead original out of Fayetteville, bought new in Fayetteville. 1955.
1955.
Yep. I
So-
feel right out a little bit. You buy them like that, you don't touch them. You just ride them.
Just ride them. Don't mess.
Don't touch them. You take all the character. If you get to restore one, it's just another pretty face.
Wow.
Leave it like this, it has the character.
Oh.
Jesus saved on the windshield.
I see that. That's what caught my eye.
Yeah, in the wind with Jesus.
Is this one still got plates on it? So you ride this one too, huh?
Yeah, this is not mine. It's a customer finished it, but it's 36. But it's all aftermarket. It's got electric start on it, LED lights, 12 volts, everything. Modernized.
Wow. It's beautiful too.
That's factory colors back in 36.
That red with that green, huh?
Now green with burgundy.
Now green.
Yeah. It was a teacher down here at RCC. He's got a pickup truck painted the same color.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And what's this electric glide behind you? What year is that one?
That's a 66. That's the first shovel here.
66. I'm born in 67.
57, yeah. Good year.
Yeah, no, 67 I was born.
67.
Yeah, 67. So that was.
That's the they put the gas cutoff on the right front on that year only.
Oh,
It didn't
okay.
work so good. Every time you turn on the kickstand, all the gas would run over to the other side.
Oh wow.
So they only did that one year. That's the third one Cox has sold down here.
Wow.
And we bought it from the original owner.
Okay.
So that's a museum piece there. You don't mess with it.
You don't mess with it, just ride it.
Yeah. We've got it running. I gotta do a few more things to it.
Okay.
That's where you like to find it.
Right. So I can use my card to get the shirt?
Yeah, you can just pay over there.
Okay. I'm gonna go out here and try one on, and then I'll grab my stuff. It was a pleasure to meet you.
You too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pleasure. Yes, sir. Pleasure. We're gonna make it upstairs and see what we got going on up there yet. I know the rest of my crew is up there already.
Yeah, we have a lot of Christian groups come here.
Oh, okay.
Good to see.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Let's go upstairs and see what's going on up here.
About to leave the museum, about to go grab something to eat. Cop me a shirt, you know what I mean? Dickie, you know what I mean? Little something, and we out. Let's go. Ready? Tail gunner, baby, so I'm in the back. Jason's riding off with no helmet.
I said, Aaron just saved me. That thing had gratuity already on it.
Did it really?
Yeah.
I never really show us eating, because I think eating is personal. I'm already in your personal space, the phone and the camera. So that's a lot of times why I don't ever show us eating. So I show me eating, and I like to show other people eating because it's personal, man. But we're headed over to Cox right now, and get back on the game. What's going on? See you in the field. Peace.
We just got over here. The Cox. Me and the fellas and the ladies. I see something. Need to buy a tire tomorrow. Look at this.
Yeah, you got cords coming through, don't you?
Yeah, see it.
Yeah, I see that cord.
It's about time for the tire, right?
It ain't
Yeah.
past time.
All right, so we made us a little gas stop. I don't know what we were lost. Huh? But we are here. I wasn't recording. Which way we going?
I can do that all the time.
I wasn't recording that time when I came through. Yeah, take two. I thought I was recording. I wasn't recording nothing. The people. Still had a small tank. Still got a bulb out.
signal light out. Like you said, we're going 64, trying to get you back to the crib.
64, man. All about me. Get me to the crib. You know what I mean? It's a great ride, great day. We'll do it again.
64 for Blaze. We're going to the crib, man. I'll take 421 straight to the house. Survey says straight to the house. Alright, this is the end of it. My boys just turned off. Say goodbye to them. We headed to the crib, baby. And this is for real this time. We had a beautiful time. Beautiful ride. I got me a nice shirt. Got me a Dickie. You know what I'm talking about? Buzz. And we had a great time, man. Head to the house. God is good. One guy home safe. Out there, be careful on these tubes, ladies and gentlemen. And always remember, if you ride when you own one, you definitely have two of them. Peace, Big Nation. Peace, YouTube. We out.